Making your home energy more sustainable, efficient, and intelligent just got a whole lot easier. Introducing the EcoFlow Home Energy Ecosystem, an open, smart, and customizable all-in-one energy solution for your home. By integrating solar energy, battery storage, EV charging, home heating, hot water heating, and more into one single platform, EcoFlow enables you to take control of your home energy. With EcoFlow Power Ocean, you can store clean energy for use anytime. All with one system and full control right at your fingertips. Connection with other smart energy ecosystems? No problem. Our partnerships with leading smart energy brands and protocols ensure seamless connectivity and interoperability. Looking to save with dynamic tariff integration? We've got you covered. Our partnerships with Tibber, Octopus, Rabbit Energy, EPEX, and Nord Pool allow you to take advantage of lower electricity rates to boost your savings even further. And there's more. Our AI-powered home energy management system takes your experience to the next level. With just one tap, you can maximize savings, optimize solar and battery usage, and more. All on one platform with one system. EcoFlow Home Energy Ecosystem.